Hello everybody, I want to share with something regarding the Polaris trailboss 250 4x4. So I am working on hub these days, so I found that the Polaris hub bearing has a similarity with the trail hub bearing. So on my left hand, this is the Polaris hub bearing with the wrist, and this one is from my trailer. Okay, and you can see both of them have same height here. Okay, and I am going to switch bearing, so I'm going to put this thing here, and see the same height. So inside diameter is 1 inch. Okay, and you can see the races here. See, same diameter, same depth, and you can see width is the same. Okay, yeah, they have similar number of rollers here. Both have, I think, 18 or 19 rollers in each bearing, and I already put the trailer bearing on my Polaris trailboss, and I'm going to show it here. So this is the side I work on, and I put trail bearing. Okay, so I'm going to just start it and show you how it works. On two-wheel drive now. I'm going to put it into the four-wheel drive now. So there is no issue driving and handling and everything, so that's fine. So I know it's difficult to find, the Polaris type wheel bearings, so instead you can replace with this trailer bearings. Okay, thank you very much. I think this will help somebody to repair their Polaris wheels. Thank you very much. Bye bye.